Today we're going to be looking at how to convert liters into milliliters. For question number 1, we're being asked to convert 6 liters into milliliters. And looking up top here, we can see our conversion of 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So when we're converting liters into milliliters, we're going to multiply the value of our liters by 1,000 to convert those liters into milliliters. So for question number 1, we're going to multiply 6 times 1,000, which is going to give us 6,000. So when we convert 6 liters into milliliters, we get 6,000 milliliters. So now for question number 2, this time we're being asked to convert 21 3/10 of a liter into milliliters. This one isn't going to be quite so straightforward because we do have a decimal here. But there is a simple trick that's going to help us solve this. Returning back to question number 1, we started out with 6 liters. Now, there is a decimal to the right of this whole number, and there's always a decimal to the right of a whole number. We just typically don't write it. So this little trick is whenever you're multiplying something by 1,000, you can accomplish this by simply just moving the decimal place 3 places to the right. So for the whole number of 6, we're going to move the decimal place once, twice, and 3 times, and then we're going to fill the empty spaces with zeros, giving us 6,000 just like we had in our answer. So now let's try this out for 21 3/10 in order to multiply it by 1,000. So we're going to move the decimal place once, twice, and 3 times, and then we're going to fill the empty spaces with zeros, giving us 21,300. So when we convert 21 3/10 of a liter into milliliters, we get 21,300 milliliters. So hopefully by now you understand how to convert liters into milliliters. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.